Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, I'm going to make this amazing but very, very simple fish curry. We're using tuna. You could use a different fish if you want. I've got some nice chunk fresh tuna in there. Coconut milk, beautiful spices. It really is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So we've got our fresh tuna cut into kind of like nice chunky bits there. At the back there, I've got like 400 or 500 ml of coconut milk, 1 large onion cut small, 2 regular sized potatoes, again cut small, fresh curry leaves, if you can get them, absolutely wonderful. If not, try and get some dry. I've got some green chili there. I'm gonna put mine in whole like that. Chop them if you want. Nice tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then here we've got 5 different spices, a teaspoon each of, in the center, garam masala. Then we've got cumin, then we've got chili, then we've got coriander, and then we've got some turmeric. We're going to start this off with some oil, and we're going to add some salt. It is very easy, this. So I've got my pan here. You're going to need a kind of wok or a skillet or something that can hold this amount. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. If you wanted, you could be using a coconut oil or something like that. That would be really nice. Let's drop in the cumin seeds. Then we're going to go with the fresh curry leaves. As you can hear, we're on quite a high heat. Next up, we're going to go in with our onion. Cut nice and small. And to that, let's now add the potato. Again, you can see nice small pieces. Let's stay on this high heat and let's go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Like I say, this is absolutely delicious and super easy to make. Great stuff. At this point, we're going to add in that garlic ginger paste. Now, garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We use it all the time on the show. We make it ourselves, but you can, if you want, buy it in a jar from most supermarkets, depending on where you live, of course. I'm going to drop in now my chili, and like I said, I've just got mine in whole there. Chop it if you want. Salt. And then our powders. We're going to go for 5 powders. Just a teaspoon each of garam masala powder, chili, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Here we go. Now we're on this high heat. Stay on this high heat and mix this all the time. We don't want our powders to burn. If they burn, they taste very bitter. Next up, we're going to drop in that 400 or 500 ml of coconut milk. I'm going to add a little bit of water to that. Stay on this high heat and let it go for about another 5 minutes. I told you, this is really easy. And that's been raging away. That really helps cook down those potatoes. Right, let's get our tuna fish and drop it in. Nice big chunks here of fresh tuna. Okay, let's lower the heat. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. Just so it's rolling nicely. For this size cut, the chunkiness of that fish, I'll be back in about 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We're done, really. Okay, and off goes the heat. That is delightful. If you wanted, you can get some cilantro or coriander in there. I'm not going to be doing that today. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go. What I've done is I've just topped that with some red bell pepper and some thinly sliced ginger. That is delightful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. And do leave a message and say hi to us. We like to know that you're well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.